Summer is finally here and it's time to change skincare routine. You don't expect to use the same skincare you used back in winter, autumn and spring for summer because the weather is different. So the best thing you do to yourself is have something specifically for summer. I recently got my summer skincare package. We've been unboxing it in this video, so let's dive in. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Rosie, and on this channel I talk about beauty, facial care and makeup. In this video I'll be showing you my summer skincare and makeup haul. I'll be showing you makeup products I got after 3 years of not using makeup, and I'll also be showing you skincare products I got specifically for summer. Summer needs more effort in your skincare because the sun, the weather, everything is so different and harsher than before. The best thing you do to yourself is nourish your skin with the right ingredients, and I'll show you what I got for my summer skincare. I also got some makeup items. Finally, after 3 years of no makeup, most of my makeup items are all expired, so I finally bought basics of what I need for makeup, and I'll also show you in this video. And while I'm unboxing, you know, they used to say makeup ages the skin, makeup makes the skin rough, makeup does this and that. I don't know if I can agree with that, because since 3 years I stopped using makeup for myself. I was expecting my skin to be a lot better, but it looked like it was going backwards. I feel my skin when I was even still doing makeup looks hydrated. That was like 3 years back. It looks glowy and it looks more refreshed and smooth, but now it's so rough, it's dry, although I still have oily skin, but not as oily as it used to be. And I am beginning to think the reason why this is so is because when I used to do makeup actively, I was very intentional with my skincare because I know I was doing makeup. I know I had to do double the efforts to take care of my skin. So after the makeup, by the end of the day, I would use a very good makeup remover that has got lots of amazing ingredients. Even before I use the makeup, I do a lot of skin prepping. After the makeup, I do a lot of skin prepping. Like, I take my time on my face before and after the makeup because I know what makeup does, and I did not want to start having very negative results. So I feel I relaxed all those things now that I stopped doing makeup. I'm beginning to think that may be the reason, or I don't know. But now that I'm resuming makeup, let's see. I'm going to definitely show you the progress. If I can, I would show you a picture of myself 3 years back when I was actively using makeup, and then you will see my face now, and there is difference. So later in the future, I will still refer back to this video and show you progress with my skin now that I'm back to makeup actively. And if you're wondering the reason why I stopped using makeup, there was just no reason. I think I just became so busy. It was not really skin related reason, because it was not like I needed to give my skin space to breathe or something. I just became so busy that I was hardly having time for makeup for myself. Like when I wake up in the morning, in fact sometimes I'm eating my breakfast on the way, I just take my bath and I'm off. When I come back at night it's late. I was hardly having time for makeup, but now I'm going back there. Let's see. Let's unbox quickly and then show you what I got, both for my summer skincare and makeup. This is, I'm believing, the face care package. I'm going to open it. I just want to bring everything out. I'm not sure what this is anymore. I'm not sure, but when we open it we'll see what it is. I can't remember what I even ordered anymore. Let's open everything. So this is the makeup. I just got basics. Nothing much for now, because if I need to buy a full set of makeup things, I need to go present to the stores to buy. I can't order makeup online if I want to have full sets of makeup items. No, I wouldn't be doing myself any favor doing that, because I need to try it out, I need to test, I need to know which one matches. But I was in a hurry. I just needed to have something basics for now. That was why I said, let me just give TikTok a try and see how it goes. I bought some viral makeup products I'll be showing you. So this one is foundation stick. I've never used a foundation stick, so I'm hoping this does not disappoint me. Let me see. I got 2 of the foundation sticks in different color, because that's why I say buying makeup online is not the best because you need to be there, try it out on your skin with using one of the testers to be sure you are buying the one that's your color. So I wasn't like, the picture was not showing me what I want. I looked at number 2 and number 2 looked dark. I looked at number 3 and number 3 looked fair, and there was nothing in between. So I told myself, well, I could buy the 2 and then mix it to get a shade closer to my shade. I'm going to try this out, maybe in this video or in another video, for you to see what it looks like. I'll try them separately and I'll mix the 2 of them and apply, and then show you what it looks like on my skin. So this is the 2 foundation stick, number 2 and number 3. I am in between these 2 shades, well, I'm hoping mixing both of them will give me a shade I want. Next is face powder. I got the loose face powder and I'm praying this matches my skin. This is still the reason why I prefer to go physical to buy makeup, because you are just trying your luck online, hoping you will get what will match you. It looks smaller than what it looks like on TikTok. You see all these online vendors, they're good with their product marketing. They'll put pictures of this product and you would think you're getting yourself something crazy, but then you receive it and it's something else. But I wasn't really having very high expectations. Why isn't it coming out? Oh, I messed up the package. I really hope I won't be needing this package again, like returning this item. If not, I don't think that's possible. I've destroyed this already. Wow. White. I am just hoping this is not going to be too bright. Although I know of white loose powder, but was it the white one I saw? I'll check again. It's got a powder puff. Makes life easy. I just hope this white loose powder is going to deliver according to what I saw online. It's sealed, so I cannot tell until I open it and use it. Once I've done that, I don't think I can return this anymore. It's going to be like waste for them. I really hope this is going to work out. So I've got foundation, I've got loose powder, foundation stick actually, and next I've got mascara. Like I said, I just got the basics for back to makeup, so with these basics I'm almost good to go. This mascara is 5D. Whatever this makeup give me, I'll just take it, because returning it I don't think is an option. You know, cosmetics items, you can hardly return them unless you don't open them, but once you've opened them, you remove the seal, I don't think you can return them anymore. Next I've got the lip gloss, not just lip gloss, lip tint. And I love this one because I've used this before. I will show you. I'll do a makeup with all this and then show either in this video or in another. One more item is not here, or is it in the other box? Yeah, the lip liner. I've got lip liner, almost the same color with this. I got that. So that should be all for the makeup. But let me open this unknown package first and then know what is inside before I say it's all for the makeup. Yeah, it's the skincare one. So for makeup, I got foundation sticks because I couldn't figure out which one was my color. So I got 2 different shades nearest to me. I'm going to use them together and hopefully they match. And I've got lip tint plus lip plump, and mascara, and loose powder, and lip liner, wherever the lip liner is. I hope they did not forget to put that in. And just to be extra, I got bracelets and a necklace. I think there's an anklet inside too. I'll check again. I can't remember. It's been almost, TikTok delivery is not so fast. Before they even deliver, you probably have forgotten that you made an order. So that's it for the makeup. Let me show you the skincare. Face sheet mask. I cannot overhype why you need a face sheet mask, especially right now that the summer is here. Me in particular, with summer, my face gets darker than my skin. My face needs twice or thrice the effort I put in on the rest of my body, because it appears darker, and before the end of summer I'm already looking different shade of myself. So you see this face mask, especially now that someone is as busy as what I cannot explain. It's so refreshing at the end of a very long and busy and tiring day. This face sheet mask more like moisturizes your skin. It gives it that instant boost, that instant relief, that instant refresh. I cannot hype this face mask enough. And the good thing with face masks, you don't even need a very expensive one. You don't even need Korean ones. You don't even need the luxurious ones. Just pick basic face masks that has got ingredients you love. Ingredients that targets your skin type, your skin tone, and your skin concerns. That's all. Any brand at all would work. This one I got it off TikTok. I didn't even look at the name of the brand. I just saw that they've got the ingredients I want for this summer skincare, and I bought them. And I don't think they're so expensive. So this particular, I bought different types, 3 different ingredients. So because it has got 2 ingredients I wanted, I had no choice but to buy the 3 because I couldn't take just 2. I had to just take this one, but still, this one has got good ingredients. Sakura is a very good ingredient for moisturizing. It gives that dewy skin look, and this is what I wanted. Vitamin C serum. During summer, vitamin C products, don't overlook them. Any kind of product you're buying, face care, lotion, cleanser, whatever, once there's vitamin C in it, you're already one step ahead. And the other one is snail and collagen. Collagen is another amazing ingredient. I don't joke with these 2 ingredients in summer because of what, from experience, my face has done to me in summer. And then this Sakura, I used to use CN face sheets before I got this one. And CN face sheets has got Sakura, which is amazing. I love it. It gives that very refreshing look. I'll be showing you the results after using this in 3 months. In fact, every month I'll show you progress. I got exfoliating gloves. This exfoliating glove helps with scrub, your face scrub. If you use this and your face scrub, the result is different from when you're just using your fingers only. It's amazing. Oh, it's just 1 pair. You see why I don't like buying things online. I was really thinking it's like 2. I didn't know it's just 1 hand. It works better than just your fingers because it's a glove specifically made for the skin. Your finger may not give you as much result as this. I'll show you the difference when I use a glove and when I don't use a glove. You would see difference. The difference is quite obvious. It may not be obvious at first sight, but you would see a difference. Face scrub from Soap and Glory. Most times I don't look at brand names when I'm shopping. Once I have the ingredients I need in a product and the product is for my skin type and skin tone, I don't mind what brand it is. Some of them I can't even pronounce their names, but as long as it gives me what I want, I'm good to go. So this one is from Soap and Glory face scrub. When I pair these 2 together, I will show you the difference. I had to switch to this one because it has got what I need for this summer. I had to drop all the skincare I've been using before because summer you need something that will make your skin pop. You don't want to look like something else at the end of the season. So I'll be giving a review of all these products when I use them. You can trust me on that one. I love this particular one because it has got apricot seed and shea butter. These 2 are amazing ingredients for the skin. And then to the big reveal, this one is complete ingredients for summer skincare, face care set, vitamin C, and not the overrated. That's all I got for my skincare / makeup summer. We'll have another video where I would open every single one of them and try every single product out, and I will show you what each of them can do, how each of them feels like. Of course, you know how we do it here. I'm going to review every single one of them and then let you know what I think after a while of use. I'll let you know my experience. I'll let you know if I can recommend them or not. Let me know what you think. If you've ever used any of these products, let me know your experience. Let me know your suggestions, if you really recommend them, or if I should just abort mission on anyone at all. Also, if you've ever ordered on TikTok, what was your experience like? For me, shopping online was quite easy. Pictures of the products. Of course, it's product marketing. You don't expect bad pictures, but I wasn't expecting some things to be as small as they came. So that's it for my TikTok haul. I would be showing you another video with every single one of the items. Don't forget to subscribe because I've got more videos like this coming, especially the ones where I will be telling you about every single one of the products I used and my experience with them so far. Let me know what your summer skincare routine is like. What's your summer go-to skincare products? What are you doing for summer differently from the other seasons to give your skin that